Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart, your source for exceptional video analysis of stocks, ETFs, and indices so you can become a better trader. Welcome back. Today is Monday, October 5th, and we're taking a look at a trade idea from August on Gilead Sciences. This is a great example of a reversal play. What we had here on August 5th is I issued a new trade idea. This is the detail right off my trade ideas page that I have for the insider members on my website. This is the exact detail that I produce out. I issue the idea and I talk about, where the entry is looking at. I have an option series that's suggested and a stop and an initial target. So the reversal bar occurred right here on August 4th, okay, right in here. And it hit my parameters for a reversal bar. I've got some specific things that I'm looking for on the reversal bar in terms of the high, where it closes, that type of thing. Then we got a close here on the 6th with, again, fit my setup for what I was looking for. Now, the bar was a little bit bigger than what I normally like, but I decided to go with it anyway. And this is kind of what I call a WR7 bar, widest range bar of the last 7 days. And decided to go with it, near the close, and the close is 115.30. So we entered with puts, September 115 puts. So where's the strike price? Strike price right here. So it's just slightly out of the money on this. Now, you had to have patience on this. That's why I'm saying reversal worked, but with patience, because it ended up basically pushing sideways, kind of choppy sideways for the next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days before it fell out of bed. Now, here was where it was pulling back, and I possibly was going to get be stopped out, but it didn't. It pulled back down. Now, because I'd been in this for 8 days, notice I say right here, in this trade for 8 days, stop is now just above prior day high. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Been in it 8 days. Now I'm into this day. And, I had a stop up here. Now I'm into this day. The stop was above this high. I was going to once it had been in for 8 days, I was going to start to tighten up the stop. Well, then it started to work in our direction. Now, because it had taken so long, this is the initial stop. I went ahead and got out of half of the position because we just bought 2. That's all. The total on this trade idea was only $810, and got out of half of it here on the 20th. You can see sell to close 1 at the bid. All of on the trade ideas, all of the exits are at the bid, all of the entries are at the ask. So very conservative. Typically you don't have to buy that way. Sometimes, a lot of times, you can get better entries and exits on using limit orders in the middle of the spread, depending on what's happening or how fast that stock is moving. But for the trade ideas, I do use buying at the ask and selling at the bid. So on this day, sold at the bid, 510 here. Now, then went down, and here's the initial target was hit right down in here between 109.50 to 110. And so exited at 665. Now, yeah, we left a lot on the table. Could have wrote a third one, but it had only gotten in with 2. So that was the play. Decent 45% return, 11 trading days, but had to have a little patience in order for this to work out, but it worked out. All right, so that's a great example of how this reversal bar can work and reversal setup can work. If you would like to have this kind of detail on a more real-time basis, then come on over to the website, look at this little link on the web page here, or on the video, I should say, and head on over to the join page and check it out. All right, everyone, have a great Monday and rest of the week.